Welcome to the next lecture of this JavaScript lecture series. And in this lecture, in continuation with our last topic, that is DOM manipulations, we are going to discuss the next method related to it, which is called as get elements by class name. Okay, so this method is used for selecting or getting the elements through their class name values. Basically, these class names are defined in the CSS. So if you have the knowledge of CSS, then you can apply this method. Okay, so if I call this method, then this method searches the complete document of our HTML and returns all those documents that are associated with particular class name. Okay, so to understand it, first we are defining our HTML document. So suppose my HTML document is something like, I have a paragraph that contains some random values, that is first paragraph. Second, I have one more paragraph with some other random values. I have h1 tag, and this is saying some heading. And then I define one more paragraph with the same random values that I have defined earlier. And at last, I'm going to create a button. So input type equals to button. This button is with the same name, click, and on click I want to call a function that is my fn1. So this is my HTML document that contains some random data and a button. So these three are the paragraph tags. Okay, now what I mean by the class, suppose if I say my head is containing the style tag for the CSS class, and I create a class named as para. Okay, and I said, okay, background color of this paragraph should be like aqua color. Okay, and I apply this on my two paragraphs. So how do I apply the classes? I'll say class equals para, and at last I said class equals to para. So if I refresh this page, you can see these two paragraphs, this one and this one, are now associated with the CSS class para. So they are showing the property that I have defined in the .para class, that is background color aqua. Okay. So now with the help of JavaScript, I want to count the paragraph that are associated with the particular class. So to do that, what I'll do, I'll have to write the script tag inside my HTML document head part. So script type equals to text JavaScript, and then I will say where what I have to do, I have to create this function my fn1. So I'll create a function my fn1, and inside this function I want to call the total count, that is where total equals to document dot get elements by a class name. Okay, and which elements I want to call that are associated with the particular class. So I have two paragraphs that are associated with class para, and this paragraph is not associated with anyone. So they're having the same property, that is class name as para. So I want to call the elements that are having the class name as para. Okay, now I want to print this data, like how many number of elements are associated with the class. So I'll say alert the total number of paragraphs associated with class para. I would say concatenate them, and concatenate with what? The variable I have taken here is total. So total dot length. Now if I refresh my page and if I click the button named as click, you can see it is saying total number of paragraphs associated with class para equals to 2. As you can see, our document is containing 3 paragraphs, the number 1, number 2 and number 3. If I come into the programming part, that you can see number 1, number 2 and number 3, but only 2 paragraphs are associated with the particular class name. That's why if I click the document, it is saying total number of paragraphs associated with class para is equals to 2. Okay, so this is how this particular method is used So with the help of this method, you can access all the elements that are associated with particular class, like this example. Okay. So this is it for now, and if you are having any doubt regarding any DOM manipulation method, you can ask in our comment section. And to support us, kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.